Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use Jigo with Uber Eats. First of all, head over to the Jigo website or app and sign up. Choose the appropriate insurance policy for food delivery services. Make sure to include Uber Eats as your platform. After signing up, link your Uber Eats account to Jigo. This ensures your insurance covers all your deliveries. Follow the instructions provided by Jigo to sync your accounts seamlessly. Once linked, activate your policy. Jigo offers flexible pay as you go options, so you are only charged for the time you work. With your Jigo insurance in place, you are ready to deliver safety and confidently using Uber Eats. Just open the app and start accepting orders. That's all it takes to use Jigo with Uber Eats. Hit like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.